deal. Should I put the guard on?
Doesn't work!
You've got one more. Reload. Right there. I'll give you time to reload.
Alright. Okay, we're fixing. Liar!
Put it in! Hurry up!
It won't come out!
Dude, pull it back, and then press those two orange thingies.
You know how wrong
And then those two by the gun. Those two that I kept pulling on that said that should come out. Yeah, now pull on the thing.
Hi, James. Oh. Alright, we're good now. Feel good.
We're falling short! Camera.
Fail.
Ah!
Ah, you got it. That's all we got. It don't do nothing. $5! Cheers. Cheers. Don't love the gun. No! No! You know what? You got me! I'm dying!
Ah, I hit my chin!
Ah! I died.
Wow.
Oh God, where are you?
I was thinking the same thing!
I died. I didn't do snow. Oh no.
Ow!